I am going to show you how to download and edit your Canva template, which for this example, we're going to use the visual chore chart. So whenever you purchase, you'll see a screen like this on my Shopify store where you can go and purchase it. Once you do, it'll take you to an email where you can click the download button and you'll download a page like this. So your download page will look like this, and you will have an editable version. So if you want to edit it, like change the colors, the fonts, anything like that, you'll click this button here. Or if you just want to use it as is, this is the button you'd click. So for the download version, we're going to click this button and it'll open up and it'll look like this. So a template is being shared with you. You'll go down to edit template. And then it's going to open up like this into Canva. You might have to create a free account, but once you do, it'll open up like this. Now you can verify up here. It'll tell you that it has made a copy, and this is where you can change the name of it. This is just for you to see and be able to recognize it. But if you click in here, you can change the name of anything. See how I'm removing that, and I'm going to type it. Whoa. Going to type it back in there so you can change the name. Now let's go with if you want to change the font. So I have this rainbow font, which is more of an advanced strategy, which I'll make a completely separate video for about that. But if you want to change the font color, you just click in here. You can click it all, or you can just change like one word at a time. So we'll do that. So I have kitchen highlighted. If I want to change the color, I'll go up here to this A with the color under it, and it'll say text color. Click that. And then it shows you all of the colors that are already being used in this document. So you can choose one of those. Or you can go up here and type in a color like, say, pink, press enter, and it'll give you all of this. So that is how you would change the color. And let's say I changed it to this color and I didn't like it. No worries. Go up here to this undo button and it'll go right back. So if you mess anything up, just click this undo button up here and it'll take it back to where you started. So that's how you would change the color. To change the font, we'd go over here to this box, click that drop down arrow, and then it'll give you a list of fonts that you can choose from, or you can choose different styles up here. Like if you like handwriting style fonts, it'll bring all those. Now, just be aware that with the crown here, that means that it is a pro feature, which means you have to pay for it. So if you don't want to pay anything extra, then avoid items that have this crown next to it. So if you wanted to try like this font, see how that looks very sloppy. You could change that so it changes the font. Remember, if you want to go back, just click that undo button, and there we go. So now we're back. Okay, so that's how you change the font. Let's say you want to change the size. That decreases the font size, makes it smaller, make it bigger, push the plus sign. If you want to change this text, it's the exact same process. Click in there, and then you can just type what you want to, say unload dishwasher. So you would just type it so it doesn't fit on one line anymore. You can drag this out, make it go all the way across. So now it fits on one line again, or we can undo that. So it's back on two lines. We're going to click in the box and we can just make it smaller. There we go. So now it's just smaller. So let's undo that. Okay, and if you want to change your images, you would just click the image. You can change the color of the image. So if I didn't want, let's say, a more prominent color, this green, I didn't want that bowl to be green. I wanted it to be, let's say, this dark blue. Then that's how I would do that. I would click it up here. So let's do this orangish, yellowish color. I would click that, and then I can change it over here. See how it's changing it there. So that's how you do that. I'm going to undo again. And then to completely change this, if I don't want it to be this set of dishes, I'm going to go over here to Elements, click that, and then go up here to search, and we can just put in dishes. I go to graphics and then see all. And then up here where these lines are, I click that and I go down to where it says price and then I click free. So that'll give me all of the free elements. And then I just click over here in the gray. So now I can see all of the free graphics. And you can just click any one of those. So let's say I want this one. So I'll click that. I'm going to click on these old dishes and click delete on my keyboard to get rid of those. I'm going to click this and I'm going to resize it. So you see here, this part, it was a white circle. Now it's purple. Just drag. You can drag that in and out to make it bigger or smaller. And then we're going to just fit it in here. Okay, and now it's there. So that's how you would change out any of the images here. Let's go to undo that. Okay, so that's how you change out elements. Let's say you wanted to add a border on your design. You would just come over here to design, over here in the corner, click that, and you can just scroll through here and see if you like any borders or any type of design. So we want to look for ones that don't say pro. So let's see if we can find, yeah, let's say we liked this one, or actually let's say we like this one. And we're going to click that. We're going to go to add as new page, because if you click replace current page, it'll just completely replace your chore chart. So go to add as new page. So it put it down here at the, oh, it put it right after that page. So to get your border, this border on your chore chart, we are going to just go down here to the bottom and highlight all of this. I'm starting over here in the gray and I'm just holding down my mouse to highlight everything on the page. And we can go to the three dots here and click copy. Now I'm going to click over here in the gray. And then I'm going to put the outline, click the page, the white, so it outlines this. And then I'm going to push Command V or Control V, and that's how you paste. There we go. Go up here to position while everything is still lighted. Go to position to back. There we go. So we got everything in the back. And then we're just going to move this box. So as you can see, the box is behind this stuff. So I'm going to click where it says kitchen. And then I'm going to push Command and hold that down. Hold Command and click again. And that's how you're going to get to something that's behind another element. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to click over here in the gray. So click kitchen. Let that go. I'm not holding anything. Push Command. Hold it down. Hold down Command and click the element that you're trying to get to. So then I can click this purple and drag it around. There we go. And if you need to zoom in for anything, it's right down here. See the zoom down here? That bar, you can drag it over, drag it back, drag it over. So that's how you can see what it looks like. Okay, and so now I've added a background. So that is pretty much your standard Canva editing. Once you have completed your chore charts, they look exactly how you want them to look. Make sure you have saved the name as something you can find it. And then you're going to go over here to share. Click that. You're going to go to download. And we are going to click up here we're going to go down to PDF print. And then you can either choose which page. So if you click that drop down, you can choose which page you want to download. Or if you want to download all of them, keep that as all pages and click download. And that's it. If you need anything else, if you want to do anything else with the chore charts, just send me an email and let me know. My email is on the download page. You can find it right here on the download page. So if you have any questions, just let me know.